What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode here on your iPhone device, or in other words, how to put your iPhone in recovery mode, which is also known as the DFU mode. So basically, this mode allows us to install a fresh new operating system and fix a lot of bugs, errors, glitches that your phone may be facing, okay? I'm gonna show you how to enter and how exactly does this work, how you can actually install a brand new operating system. But do not forget, if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and like the video as it really helps me out. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now here we go. This is just a screenshot that I'm showing it to you in order for you to understand how exactly does the recovery mode look like. Now, in order for us to put our iPhone in recovery mode, we're gonna need a USB cable, or simply the cable that we use to charge our iPhone device. Now, please ensure that you need a cable as well as a laptop device, and the cable needs to be a data cable, a cable that transfers data and not only a charging cable, because in some cases we do have, for example, cables that only allow us to charge, okay? Original cables will always allow you to transfer data, but we have a lot of, for example, car chargers or duplicate China cables which do not work perfectly fine. So in my case, I'm going to use, for example, this Type-C cable in here because I do have an iPhone 16 Pro in here. The very first thing we're going to be doing is turning on our laptop, okay? So I do have a MacBook in here, but if you do have a Windows computer, no problem at all. All you need to do is simply open up iTunes on your Windows laptop. If you do have a MacBook, you do not need to install iTunes. All you need to do is simply unlock it and keep it turned on. Now, we do have two ends in here of the cable. We're going to connect the very first end into our laptop device, which is this one right here, okay? I'm quickly connecting it into my laptop device. So once I'm done connecting it into my laptop device, I'm going to perform a forced restart on my iPhone, okay? So if you do have an iPhone without a physical home button, you need to perform the forced restart the following way. This is going to be volume up, down, and then press and hold the power button and be ready to insert the cable. I haven't inserted it yet, but as soon as it turns off, I'm going to insert it, okay? I'm still pressing and holding the power button. There we go. Quickly inserted the cable. I'm still pressing and holding the power button. Do not release the power button, okay? I'm still pressing and holding, and in a few seconds, you'll be able to see the second Apple logo and then the recovery menu. There we go, recovery menu. Sometimes it shows the second Apple logo, sometimes it doesn't. So here we go, we're now in recovery mode, and if you give a look at your laptop screen, you'll be able to see, for example, a pop-up which will be saying, do you want to update or restore your iPhone? Either one of the two options. According to your need, you can proceed forward. Now, the next thing you want to do, if you simply want to update by installing a fresh new software, you can simply tap on update software. Now, if you wish to wipe out all your data, you would need to tap on restore, but this will have consequences. You're gonna lose all your data if you do so, but we do have a few situations where our iPhone is facing a really corrupted software that you would need to go with restore. Now, I always recommend going with update first before restoring. Now, here we are in recovery mode. Now, let's say that I wish to exit the recovery mode. It's super easy. All you need to do is disconnect the cable first. There we go. Cable has been disconnected here from my iPhone device. And the next thing you're gonna do is simply press and hold the power button until it's black. There we go, pressing and holding the power button, okay, for a couple of seconds. And as soon as it's black, you're gonna release the power button and wait for a couple of seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. Next up, press and hold the power button to turn on your iPhone normally, as if, for example, you have restarted your iPhone. There we go. This is how easy it is for you to put your iPhone in recovery mode. Now, if you are in a situation where you have an iPhone with a physical home button, let's say a physical home button down here, this will be the process. Let's say that I do have, for example, this iPhone in here. My screen is cracked. I'm sorry for the cracked screen, but it's just for showcase purposes. It doesn't work anymore with the phone, but just to test it out, you need to turn off your iPhone first. Press and hold the power button, slide to power it off, and once it's off, you're going to simply connect the first end into your laptop or into your MacBook. And next up, while your phone is off, you're gonna insert and rapidly press and hold the home button like this. Insert and press and hold. Keep on pressing and holding. Do not release that home button until you see that same recovery screen right there. Once you see connect to iTunes here on your screen display, you're gonna release the home button and let your iPhone in recovery mode. Now, in order for you to exit, the process is the same. Just press and hold in here the power button. It's going to turn off, and then release it for a couple of seconds. Press and hold again until you see the iPhone starting right there. So this is exactly how you put your iPhone in recovery mode, and this also works for iPad devices as well and other devices. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.